Oh, they got the people in the thing.
Yeah, cigarette rag. Favorite Knight Rider? David Hasselhoff, Knight Rider. That's neat.
She's on the map, right? You know, this is my stuff.
Oh, the train broke.
He's still going. Choo choo.
Ooh, almost hit the house. Took out the house. That's the trains I was trying to get local. That'll straighten itself up too. It's a walking ticket, that's all. That's a bad. Did you fly it? Here.
There's another one over here. What if we're on the train? 7. Oh, there's a horse right there. There's a bee. There's a flag. I saw a couple bees.
Come on, Bob. Hey, you got it. Ooh, it's a big train.
This is nice.
Oh, then you gotta go all the way over there.
Yeah, we are going out there. That's a little bit of Cincinnati, though. Here's the train right here. What I say? No.